This hot tub starter kit is so convenient. It has everything you need for balanced, crystal clear water. This is AquaDoc's Chlorine Starter Kit. If you have a chlorine sanitized hot tub, you need this. Use the pH increaser and decreaser to balance the pH levels. Use the alkalinity booster to raise alkalinity levels and prevent pH fluctuations. This metal prevent will keep metals from oxidizing and preventing stains. Use the calcium increaser to prevent corrosion and scale buildup. This spa clarifier is my absolute favorite. This clears cloudy water and makes your water crystal clear. Do you have too much foam? This spa defoamer gets the foam out of your hot tub super fast. And use the oxidizing shock to give your sanitizer a boost. It helps break down oils and other organics in your hot tub. It also comes with test strips so you can make sure your water is balanced. AquaDoc is the only brand of chemicals I'll use on my hot tub because they're paraben-free and aluminum-free. I highly recommend them.